Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Atomic Wallet app using your PC. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Make sure that you've first downloaded the Atomic Wallet app for your PC. If not, simply go ahead and open up a web browser. In the search box, type in Atomic Wallet Download. On the next page, go ahead and click on this first link that says Download Atomic Wallet, which will directly take you to this page from where you can download the app for your Windows, Mac OS, and other devices. Simply go ahead and click on the download link and follow through the prompts to get the app downloaded first. Once it is downloaded, double click it to open it up. Now, in the first interface, you'll be able to see this menu. If you want to log into an existing wallet, simply click on Restore from Backup and enter the 12-word backup phrases in the correct order. After you type in your 12-word backup phrases, click on Restore Wallet. Every time you try to restore your wallet, you'll need to create a new password. Go ahead and type in the password, which will be easier for you to remember but difficult for others to guess, and repeat the password in the next field again. After you are done creating password, click on Set Password. Wait for a few seconds while your wallet loads. And that is how you can easily log into your Atomic Wallet account on PC. Remember that you must know your 12-word backup phrases in order to access your wallet. So in case you've forgotten your 12-word backup phrases, or if you've lost your backup phrases, there is no way you can get access back to your wallet. And you can also lose your funds available on your wallet. So that is how you can easily log into your Atomic Wallet application using PC. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.